Hey friends, thanks for joining us again today. Today we're going to be coloring and drawing Chica from Five Nights at Freddy's. Before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can get all of our videos. You ready to get started, Keelin? All right, let's do it. All right. To get started drawing Chica, while Keelin colors her, we're going to draw a big circle right here. Just a big circle. And it doesn't have to be perfect, just close. Next, we'll be drawing her eyes, which are on the top part of this circle. We're going to kind of just the top middle. We're going to be drawing a big eye like this. And then we're going to draw a little curved line like that. And then another kind of half circle that's going to meet around there. Inside, we'll draw one circle. And then inside, another circle. I know, I'm sorry. Okay, we're working on it though. Another circle inside for her eye. Let's draw the other eye on this side. So, circle, curved line, and another half circle down here with two circles inside. Her two eyes. Kind of scary looking eyes, aren't they? All right, so next, let's go ahead and draw her eyebrows. Start over here. We're going to start on the outside. Let's come in, curved line, and then we're going to just circle this around and then connect up there. Just like that.
Freddy's nice.
Yeah, Freddy's nice, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
Freddy is nice.
Just like that. So we have her eyebrows. Her chicken eyebrows. All right, next, let's draw her beak. So we're just going to start up here, and we're going to draw kind of a rounded edge triangle. So we're going to come down here, and then we're going to bring it down just a bit, the tip of her beak, and then we're going to round it on all edges, all corners. All right, let's draw the bottom of her beak, which is just going to be a half circle, just like that. Huh? No. Nope.
Oh.
All right, let's draw circles on her cheeks, both sides. And then we're just going to do the shape of her bib, which is it's kind of a half circle down here. We're not going to write on there because we're just going to color and draw. So lastly, let's do the feathers on the top of her head, which are just all curved lines, kind of shaped like a football. Right there. Let's do one over here and one over here. And there you have it, the drawing of Chica. Should we get coloring? Well, you're already coloring. I guess I got to catch up with you, right? All right, let's get to it. All right, friends, there you have it. Chica from Five Nights at Freddy's. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Bye, friends. Say it. You gotta say bye.
Bye.
Say bye, friends.
Bye, friends.